Students. So today's our topic is functions. We have discussed order pair and relations. And the third most important topic is functions. So here we'll understand the concept of function by using two ways. There are basically two ways by which we can learn the concept of function. So first we'll consider the function in terms of relations. Or first way understand the concept of function is nothing but the in terms of relation. So we'll understand functions in terms of relations. We have discussed relation. All of you have the clear concept regarding the relations. So function is nothing but the a special type of relation. The students who knows the concept of relation make understand these functions very easily. So, in the concept of relations, we have considered two sets, set A and set B. We are revising our concept of relation, and then we'll derive the definition of function from this relation. So let me again start with the relation. So in which we have defined the relationship between two sets A and B. Elements of set A are 1, 2, 3, and elements of set B are 4, 5, 6. So for these two sets, we have defined total four relations. So relation R1 from set A to set B. Relation R1 from set A to set B. है ना? Colon आएगा. Relation R1 from set A to set B that you have defined. That relation R1 was it's a order pair XY where Y is greater than X and condition every X belongs to set A and every Y which is second element of order pair belongs to set B. That is the description of relation R1 and the order pair. All possible order pair of these relations are 1 4, 1 5, 1 6, 2 4, 2 5, 2 6, 3 4, 3 5, and 3 6. These are the all possible order pair of relation R1. Then we have defined relation R2. For relation R2 is from set A to set B. And the description for relation R2 was it's a R2 where all the order pair XY such that Y equal to X plus 3. Second element of order pair is 3 more than first element where condition is first element belongs to A and second element belongs to B. So for this relation R2 we are having the order pair like this R2 equal to 1 4, 2 5 and 2 6. Sorry 1 4, 2 5 and 3 6. These are the order pairs of relation R2. Done. Then we have defined relation R3. Relation R3 from set A to set B. And the description is R3 order pair XY such that Y equal to X plus 4 where every X belongs to set A and Y belongs to set B and the all possible order pairs of relation R3 were 1 5 and 1 6. Clear, students? And we also consider relation R4, in which relation R4 was the empty set that we are not considering right now. So let us now consider these three sets R1, R2 and R3. These are the relations. Done? Now we have to define the function. So what is the function? So first point, function is nothing but the relation. So function is a special type of relation. What is function? Function is a special type of relation. So function is a special type of relation. We have discussed relation. So if you know the relation, you can easily understand the function. Why? Because function is nothing but the relation. So what is relation? That you all of you know. So how can we define a given relation is to be a function? कोई भी relation है वो function कब होगा? So for that we have to consider the definition of function. If you understand, for any relation to be a function, condition is all the elements of set A have an image in set B. So here first condition is fulfilled. All the elements, that means 1, 2 and 3 has an image in set B. But second condition is all the elements of set A may have image, but that image must be one and only one. So here set A, element 1 has a 3 images in set B. Similarly, uh, element 2 has a 3 images and element 3 has a 3 images. So more than one images are there. So here second condition is not fulfilled. So here we can say that, relation R1 is not function. Relation R1 is not function. R1 is not function. Reason is you have to check both the condition. Here first condition is fulfilled. All the elements have image in set B, but that image must be one and only one image. Element 1 has a 3 images, element 2 has a 3 images, and element these 3 has 3 images in set B. है ना? और एक एलिमेंट को इमेज होनी चाहिए और कितनी इमेज होनी चाहिए? सेट बी के अंदर एक ही इमेज होनी चाहिए. यहाँ पर रिलेशन आर वन में देखो, वन एलिमेंट को 4 इमेज है, फिर भी वन एलिमेंट को 5 इमेज है और वन एलिमेंट की 6 भी इमेज है. सो वन एलिमेंट की यहाँ पर तीन तीन इमेज हो रही है ना? एलिमेंट 1 हैज 3 images. Similarly, element 2 has a 3 images and element 3 has a 3 images, and that's why second condition of this function is not fulfilled. So we can say that the relation R1 is not the function. Relation R1 is not the function. Clear? Now let's check relation R2. Can we say relation R2 to be a function? So now consider relation R2. Relation R2 from set A to set B is there. Now draw arrow diagram for this relation R2. This is our set A. This is our set B. Elements are 1, 2 and 3 and elements are 4, 5 and 6. Now mapping. What is the mapping? Relating elements 1 with 4. So 1 का 4 के साथ connection, that is called mapping. 2 is related to 5 and 3 is related to 6. So here for relation R2 we can say that image of 1 is 4, image of element 2 is 5 and image of element 3 is 6. So now check both the condition. What is the first condition? All the elements of set A has image. First condition is fulfilled. Yes, total 3 elements are there and all 3 elements has one image in set B. है ना? तीनों एलिमेंट की सेट बी के साथ कोई इमेज है. देखो, ए की 4 इमेज है, एलिमेंट 2 की 5 इमेज है और एलिमेंट 3 की 6 इमेज है. So first condition is fulfilled. All the elements of set A has image in set B. Second condition, all the elements of set A has one and only one image in set B. तो देखो एलिमेंट वन की सिर्फ एक ही इमेज है, वन एंड ओनली वन इमेज ऑफ एलिमेंट वन इज फोर, one and only one image of element 2 in set B is 5, one and only one image of element 3 in set B is 6. So both conditions are now fulfilled, and therefore we can say that our relation R2 is function. Both conditions are fulfilled, therefore relation R2 is our function. है ना? रिलेशन R1 में क्या प्रॉब्लम आ रहा था? रिलेशन R1 में जो क्या प्रॉब्लम आ रहा था? रिलेशन R1 में सेट ए के हर एक एलिमेंट को इमेज तो थी, लेकिन वो इमेज है वो यूनिक नहीं थी, एक एक एलिमेंट को तीन तीन इमेज मिल रही थी, है ना? सेकंड कंडीशन फुलफिल नहीं हो रही थी, एंड दैट्स व्हाई R1 इज नॉट फंक्शन. बट हियर both conditions are fulfilled. All the elements of set A has one and only one image in set B. So this relation is now said to be a function. Clear? Now consider relation R3. Relation R3 from set A to set B. This is relation R3. Now its arrow diagram. This is our set A. This is our set B. Elements are 1, 2 and 3. Here 4, 5 and 6. Now mapping of this relation. So here element 1 has one image 5 and element 2 has an image 6. So देखो conditions. Can we say this relation R to be R3 to be a function? Whether it is function? So for that you have to check two conditions. First condition, set A. All the elements of set A has an image. So all the elements means elements 1, 2 and 3. तीनों एलिमेंट की सेट बी के अंदर एक इमेज होनी चाहिए. So element 1 has one image in set B, which is 5. Element 2 has an image in set B, which is 6. But here element 3 don't have any image in set B. एलिमेंट 3 का सेट बी के अंदर कोई इमेज ही नहीं है. देखो 3 से कोई मैपिंग हो ही नहीं रहा है. क्लियर? तो यहाँ पर फर्स्ट कंडीशन फुलफिल नहीं हो रही है ना? दो कंडीशन है. फर्स्ट कंडीशन, ऑल द एलिमेंट्स ऑफ सेट ए हैज एन इमेज इन सेट बी, बट एलिमेंट 3 डोंट हैव एनी इमेज इन सेट बी. तो यहाँ पर फर्स्ट कंडीशन ही फुलफिल नहीं हो रही है. हालांकि दोनों एलिमेंट को वन वन इमेज है, लेकिन जो तीसरा एलिमेंट है उसकी कोई इमेज सेट बी में नहीं है. फर्स्ट कंडीशन फुलफिल नहीं हो रही है. That's why we can say R3 is not function. Clear students, what is function? Function is nothing but the relation. Function is the relation. Function is the special type of relation in which every element of set A has one and only one image in set B. And then we can say that our given relation is the function. Done? So in other words, we can define our function as a relation R from set A to set B is said to be a function. A relation is said to be a function if two conditions are fulfilled. And now I am writing the two conditions in different words. So first condition that we have discussed, that all the elements of set A has unique image in set B. That means all the elements of set A has image. So here I am writing the domain of relation. If domain of relation R is set A. If domain of relation R is set A, and second condition, no two distinct order pair, no two distinct order pair, no two distinct order pairs have same first element, have same first element. Clear students? किन लोगों को समझ में आ गया?